Hello, and welcome to Hines Pool and Spa. My name's Andy Hines. Most people naturally think of us for three things. One, expert service and repair. Two, regular pool maintenance. And three, renovation and award-winning new pool construction. Makes sense since we've cleaned, serviced, and repaired thousands of pools and designed, built, and renovated hundreds of pools in the Austin area since we started in 1986. But if you're a do-it-yourself person who enjoys taking care of your pool, there's another area of our business that you'll find very helpful, and that's our pool chemical delivery service. Proper pool chemistry is critical, not just for the appearance of your pool, but for the safety and health of swimmers, as well as the function and life of your pool's equipment and surface. We have some valuable information we'd like to share with you to help you keep your pool in prime condition and safe for your family and friends. So just opt in, and you'll be on your way to a clearly better way to care for your pool.